Hey, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Saved by His Divine Grace. My name is Tammy, and I am the person behind this channel. You know, I didn't start this channel because I had everything figured out. No. I started this channel because I wanted to get closer to God. I restarted my relationship with God, and I wanted to go deeper with the word, and that is how Saved by His Divine Grace was born, and how the Bible in the Year series came about, because it was me, getting closer to God and trying to learn the Bible as I go along. I know I have been consistent, and the last couple of days I have been inconsistent, and I do apologize for that. However, the consolation prize is meeting me. So now you get to know who I am. I just wanted you to know that if you feel that you are in your wilderness season and you are just navigating your way back to God and rekindling your relationship with God, you're not alone. Nobody said that this walk is easy. Oh, the warfare, the challenges, the attacks that comes with it, it's not easy. But as long as you remain strong and faithful and trust in the presence of God and trust that He has got your back and remain faithful, you'll be okay. So back to why I started this channel, was to start over, was to heal, was to grow, and was to find my way through the Bible. So I just want to say welcome, and I hope there will be more videos of me personally, but when God says I'm ready and when I am ready. So do know I am behind the channel, and it is so lovely to meet you. Welcome to Saved by His Divine Grace. Have a good day, y'all.